Hi guys, welcome to Learn Tech from Zero. Today I will just quickly show you how a server room looks like. I will not go into too much details. I will just quickly show you how things work in general. So for example, this device right here, right, this one and this one, they convert fiber optic to Ethernet connection. So these are the devices that comes from the internet provider. All right, that's the router. So this converts to Ethernet, then connects to the router, and the router connects to these two switches. So after router, these two switches come. So they normally, so one could be a redundant switch. So if one of them breaks down or shuts down, the other one will just start working automatically. And then comes the core switches. So these are the two core switches. So what they do is, these switches, they just don't do anything. They just basically transfer signals or traffic. These two core switches, so the first comes these router, the second comes the normal switch for basically passing the traffic, uplink and connection, and then comes the core switch. The core switch, this is where all the VLAN, subnetting, and then trunking, everything happens here, okay? And then it comes to, so this is called core switch, and then it comes to distribution and access switch. So these switches, you can see these switches, they are connected to the core switches. So this is closer to the user, so they can access internet. And these are patch panels. You can see the numbers. So they are, hold on a second. So they are directly coming from different classrooms and building. So from there, it connects to the distribution and access switch. And then this is where you get the internet connection from. And this distribution and access switch is connected to the core switch, which does all the VLAN trunking, all these switching protocols. And then comes the normal switch. So this one passes all the traffic to the core switch, and this is where everything happens. And just before the first switch, then you have the router, where you get the internet connection from the ISP, internet provider, and these devices convert fiber optic to Ethernet. So I will explain you more in depth in the future, but just have a look at a clear view of how a server room looks like in an enterprise level or medium-sized business level. Thank you.